Welcome to resort-style living at 139 Sage Sparrow Circle. From the moment you enter the double 8-foot glass doors and iron accents, this home says, "Come in and relax." Walking into the family room, you are greeted with a 20-foot wall of windows looking out to your own personal resort. The kitchen is outfitted with a built-in refrigerator, gas cooking, and double ovens, not to mention beautifully stained cabinets and gorgeous counters. Imagine casual dining, coffee sipping, or afternoon tea in this breakfast room while enjoying the beauty of the outdoors. And look, just around the corner is this game room with windows on 3 sides. Invite the family and friends over for games, pool time, and to have fun. The handsome cast stone fireplace is flanked by built-ins and stone walls. Come in and relax in this primary suite. Such beautiful views of the pool and back gardens. Love is in the air in this primary bath with a very spacious shower, whirlpool tub, and 2 closets. Don't forget, this is a previous Partners in Building model home and has so many extras. The pantry is huge, and the butler's pantry is perfectly located for storing and serving into the dining room. Bring yourself up to the upper deck study that has more windows, these looking out to the front, nice built-ins, and a beautiful ceiling accent. The powder room is located just outside of the study, on the way to the guest suite. Be careful who you invite. They may never want to go home when they see this suite. Upstairs, there is a secondary bedroom at the top of the stairs that has an ensuite bath. Enjoy the views of the downstairs from this catwalk. The media room comes completely equipped and ready for you to have movie night or games while relaxing in these theater chairs. This is another secondary bedroom and has a large window to the front of the home. Catch up on a little work in this study area. The last of the secondary bedrooms upstairs. And this is the bath for it and the previous bedroom. Now to the moment we have been waiting for. The pool and backyard. Resort living at its best. The covered patio is a welcome retreat on hot or rainy days, and the fireplace is here to keep you warm on our cooler days. Ready for the spa? Just bring a towel. How about lounging on the sun shelf, watching those in the pool having fun while you enjoy the sun and your favorite beverage? This home will certainly meet all your desires, and the location is perfect. Walk to the neighborhood park and a bike ride to Rob Fleming Aquatic Center, Creekside Shopping and Dining, and just minutes to the Cynthia Woods Mitchell Pavilion for a concert and all other Woodlands amenities.